Identify the type and subtype, options in the table below, of each of the following problems. So Sean has 15 marbles, which is 7 marbles more than Kyle has. So I'm immediately thinking comparison. We're comparing how many marbles Sean has to how many Kyle has. So this is a compare problem. So it's one of these three. Okay. How many marbles does Kyle have? Okay, so Sean has 15, which is 7 more than Kyle has. So Sean has more, right? So the one we're looking for, Kyle, is the smaller number. So we have the smaller unknown. So this is compare, smaller unknown. B, Tiffany has 12 blocks, 5 of which are cubes and the rest are cylinders. How many blocks are cylinders? So these are going to be put together, take apart. So we're putting together blocks, cubes, and cylinders can be put together and they can be taken apart. So this is not add to or take from, because in those problems, there's some kind of change happens in the problem. Like you start with some amount and then they add some to it or they take some away. So here, there just is some amount and we're like combining them and uncombining them. So she has 12 blocks altogether, so we know the total, right? So it's not this one. Okay. 5 of them are cubes and the rest are cylinders. So we know one of the addends and we want to know the other, so we have an addend unknown. So this is put together, take apart. And addend unknown. Peter had some carrots. After he ate 3 of them, he had 14 carrots left. How many carrots did Peter have before? So this is a take from. So he had some carrots and we took some away by eating them. So this is a take from. And how many carrots did Peter have before? So what we're looking for is a start, the start unknown. So take from, start unknown. In a bag of 17 marbles, 9 marbles belong to Kelly and the rest belong to Shantae. How many marbles belong to Shantae? So there's no change happening here. We did not have a moment where we added some stuff or we took some stuff away. So it's not add to or take from. It doesn't have any of those compare words, more than or less than. So this is a put together, take apart problem. So we are putting together or taking apart the marbles owned by Kelly and Shantae. So we know the total. They gave us 17 marbles. There's a total of 17 marbles. So this is not total unknown. So 9 belong to Kelly. So we know one addend and we're looking for the other, Shantae. So this is an addend unknown. Put together, take apart, addend unknown.